Oh God. I can't do this.
Okay, sweetie.
Sorry, Aria.
Okay.
I'll try and get this out.
She's doing better.
Okay. It's okay. Hi. This is Ariel. She's 3.5 years old. I don't think I can do this.
I cannot giggle if you guys don't giggle, but if you guys start, I can't stop.
I'm sorry.
Breathe some gentle deep breaths.
Okay. This is Ariel. She's
The funniest part is that the cat is so calm right now. She's just like looking around, and you're like cracking up.
It looks a little phallic to have the toy like that.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, ready when you are.
Hi.
Lamaze breathing.
I'm sorry. I'll try. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. All right. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. All right. Hi, this is Ariel. She's 3.5 years old, and she's a very healthy and happy and loving kitty. She's been a really good friend to my good friend who is dying, and she's wanting a really good home for Ariel. She needs a home where there aren't any other pets because she doesn't seem to get along very well with other pets. She's quite cuddly and playful. And yeah, if you're interested in adopting Ariel, just contact us. And if you believe you can love her, we'd love for you to adopt her. Thank you.